All right, good morning, year one. I just wanted to demonstrate how to use our interactive number chart that you would find on Firefly today. So this week we've been practicing number patterns and we've been focusing on counting by twos, fives, and tens. But I hope that if counting by twos, fives, and tens is something that is easy for you, you felt free to explore some other counting patterns. So like I said, I just want to show you this interactive number chart. So I've gone over to the side here and I've chosen pink as my color, and I'm going to be counting by twos. All right, let's go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. I'm going to stop there because I don't want you to be watching me for too long, but I can already see that I'm making a pattern. All right, let's go change my color. Let's count by fives this time. You ready? Feel free to count with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Once again, I can already see my pattern starting to appear on my number chart. Let's practice counting by tens. Just to show you one last time, I'm going to choose yellow for tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And then once I'm done, if you go down the bottom in your number chart here, you can just press that and it will wipe it clean for you. Remember, year one, if counting by twos, fives, and tens is too simple for you, please feel free to count backwards by twos or backwards by fives and tens, or maybe you might like to count by threes. You also have a number chart inside your take-home packs that you took home last term. You can use them as well if you would like to practice counting without some technology. There you go, year one. How we are going to practice our counting today on a number chart, and I hope you have a wonderful day.